Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. This is Asghar. I hail from Pakistan, currently residing in a charming town of Kamalia. I specialize in teaching Urdu across all disciplines, with a focus on writing and translation. I have translated notable works and currently working on bringing Drida's grammatology to Urdu readers. As a lecturer at Govt Graduate College Kamalia, pursuing my Ph.D in Urdu literature, I bring a wealth of practical and academic experience to class. My teaching method includes immersive learning, ensuring you acquire language skills which are applicable to daily life. Holding a master's degree in English literature, I tailor courses according to your language goals. In lessons, we dissect sentence structures, delve into essential vocabulary, and involve in immersive exercises. Expect a unique Urdu language course that aligns your language learning goals. I specialize in teaching Urdu literature, including poetry and prose. Additionally, I offer expertise in translation between Urdu and various languages. My preferred teaching method emphasizes practical language skills for real world application. Thank you for watching my introduction. Now is the perfect time to embark on your language learning journey. It's never too late. Book a trial lesson with me and let's explore the beauty of Urdu language together. Looking forward to connecting with you in class.